This thing wrapped up tight. Hey guys, Griffin here with New Wire Marine. I'm standing here with our project boat. We got ourselves a Sea Hunt Triton here, and we got a lot of different projects going on. First, I'm going to take a look at this access hatch I've got on the side of the console here. We're probably going to stick with a similar color scheme, but we're dialing in what kind of options we want for the cover, the latch, hinge placement, those kind of details. So I'm going to get some dimensions, go over some options, and we're going to get this one rolling first. Now that we're ready to get started on our custom fit access door, I've gone to the builder on our website. It's very straightforward. It's under the storage tab on our website, and all you have to do is put in some basic information, your measurements, what kind of latch you want, the hinge placement, all that good stuff, and just input it right into the builder on the website. It's a lot like our e-builder. I would argue it's even easier, and it's going to be a cinch to put this project together. I've got a few options selected that I wanted. I input the overall outside dimensions that I measured on the console itself. I've got height, I've got width. I selected a white HDPE material for this. I want the hinge on the left so it opens like a book, and I've got a stainless steel latch and vents to let out moisture. So these are all the options we decided to pick out for our build, and I can't wait to see it come together. now we have the finished product here. We've got exactly what I built out on the builder. I've got the same dimensions. I got the hinge on the left. I've got a stainless steel latch, and I've got the vents to let all the moisture out of our console. Countersunk screw holes around the perimeter as well. This is going to blend right in with the dash and on the rest of the console, the rest of the project, and I can't wait to get rolling on this.